Hey guys, Tomer from the MarketZone here with a weekly summary video. How are you guys? I hope you had a good week. You're enjoying the weekend. We'll look at some charts, see what happened last week, and we'll go through some things that I looking for next week. It was a mixed week for me. Some big winners, some losers. But overall, it actually was a surprising week. I knew last week, and I wrote it in the weekly markets analysis, that this weekly candle signals that the bulls are back. I was expecting some sort of pullback, retracement to the 61.8 fib level, or maybe 78.6. I definitely wasn't expecting to see new highs in the Nasdaq and or the kind of rally that we had in the S&P, but that's what the market did, and I'm not buying this rally. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I can't buy at these levels. I do go long on several stocks, as you can see later on, but I don't see any chance that I will take long position in the S&P and the Nasdaq or the Dow these kind of levels. So I will wait and see if we are talking about some false breaks or just wait to see some reversal sign that I can use to go short. And that's it with the overall review. Now let's go through the charts. We have a lot to go through, and let's start. We'll start with the Forex chart, EURUSD daily chart. I was mentioning this ascending trading channel and this descending trading channel last week, and the price did manage to break out of this descending trading channel and created this pin bar. I took short position here as it reached this resistance level. I took like 50 pips before the price, it actually took me out on a trading stop. The price reversed, even though it actually entered back into the trading channel, but reversed, rallied strongly, took me out on a trading stop, 50 pips in profits, but now is facing this resistance level again. I actually took another chance by placing a sell stop order at the 136.5, but as you can see, the EURUSD never touched this level again, so it wasn't triggered. Interesting thing that we see here is a potential butterfly, daily butterfly, that will be complete at a 138 level, which will also give us a daily triple top at a resistance area 138, a round number, so it's perfect place to look for shorts, but it still has more than 100 pips to go. So if you want to take the long position, if this resistance area will break, should be support, and you can take the long position to the 138. I'm not sure it will break, but that's the scenarios. So if we are going higher, you have this butterfly to look for. If we are going lower, you can take another short entry, as I did last week. Jumping to the next chart, pound kiwi, very interesting level resistance area, 2.0 round number, psychological number. It's also the 50% fib level, retracement level. So very nice area to look for short. I will update if I will do something next week, but this is definitely a potential trade for next week. Pound USD, this was an amazing story. I was looking at 61.8 retracement level to look for short. This is the area, and this is the next area that I was looking during the week. As you can see, the pound just rallied all the way to break new highs, new daily highs. I actually placed two sell stop orders, expecting the price to pull back and maybe to be a false break, but it never happened. I entered a 165 sell stop order and a 166 sell stop order. Sorry, but the pound never looked back, broke the highs, and now we are facing. If you will see, take a look at the monthly chart. We are facing a very important resistance area. See historical areas that the price should be, this area should be strong resistance. If the pound will rally and break it, so it will go probably to the next previous support, which is 172.5, 173. So long way to go up, but first it has to confirm the breakout. Till then, I will look for shorts, short position in the pound USD. Definitely looking strong. Kiwi yen resistance area 61.8 fib level. The price is like stalling over here, and we have to see what will happen next week. If it will break above, it probably go to the 86, which is the 78.6 fib, but should be a nice area to watch for next week. We saw the yen gaining some strength at the end of the week, so I will look for this area and see the price section here, and maybe take a short position next week. And the last chart in the Euro USD, this is a weekly chart, still facing this resistance area. We have this weekly bat pattern, which it's a weekly chart, so it will take time, but if we are going to complete it, so we should try to look for short positions in order to see the price go all the way to the entry level of this bullish pattern. Still nothing interesting in the Aussie. Maybe we'll see something develop next week or in the next couple of weeks. Starting with the stock charts, this is Google daily chart. We see this trading channel. We see two attempts to break below, two strong attempts. These attempts turns out to be false breaks. We are back inside the trading channel, testing the highs and the $1,200 area. I was surprised by the strength of Google. I wasn't expecting it to break above the 1180. We see these strong sellers here, and I thought that this area will hold, but it never did, and Yellen probably scared all the sellers away, and we are now at the 1200. Nice area to short, but depending on market sentiment, we have to see if the bulls will keep on running. I will stay away and wait for my chance. Next chart, OSK still holding this harmonic trading pattern, monthly pattern. $55 area still holds, and $40 still the target area. ACAM broke and actually violated the pattern, which is pretty amazing, but that sometimes it's happened. We see this strong sell-off, which I consider a confirmation, and then we had like bearish continuation flag pattern, but last week we saw this rally, and this past week we saw continuation. So I have nothing more to look in ACAM, violated pattern, and going on. It happens, part of trading. YAM was a winner last week, and we touched target 1 last week and touched target 2 this week. And that's it for this position. Very nice position. We placed the long position before earnings, and you see almost $10 rise in this stock. Soda, another winner from last week. I mentioned this bullish harmonic trading pattern, and we saw Soda rallying almost 12%, almost touching target area, but retraced from there, and then I expect it to hit the $45 area, which is my target level. LEN, another good position last week. We see all the long positions were actually pretty good. This was the entry level, and we are heading for target level. The target, I want to remind you that the target level is the completion of this yellow harmonic bat, the bearish bat, and in $43 I will look for short entry on LEN. But for now, this is a long position all the way to target 1. GIS, I mentioned this force break in the weekly markets analysis, and you see the response going straight to the target level. Now we are at resistance. Seeing this strong weekly candle, I think that we may see a rally all the way to the top of the trading channel, but our position was from here to the resistance, and this position is closed. That's it for now. What we have more to see, let me look. Emerging markets, also I said we saw this false break, we saw the support area hold, and we are seeing now continuation, probably to touch this downtrend line. If not, we have this strong, small resistance on the way, but which will also be probably, let's see, around the 61.8 retracement. So this will be a nice area to look for short. If it will also be with a touch on the downtrend line, it will be even better. But for now, as expected, EEM rallying all the way probably to the 41 area. That's it for now. I hope we'll have a good week also next week. Hopefully markets will return to normal situation. I guess that we are waiting for the second part of Yellen testimony. We have on Wednesday FOMC meetings, minute meetings, and probably that's what the markets will look for. And we'll see. We have the weekly markets analysis coming on Sunday, and I tell you what I'm looking beside what we discussed today. Okay, enjoy your weekend. See you. Bye bye.